Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. WhatsApp is a mobile app that allows you to communicate with your friends and family for free without paying for SMS messages. Millions of people use WhatsApp to stay connected with their loved ones or business companions. But it is a real problem when you want to stay silent and you get disturbed by the notifications on WhatsApp. For this problem, WhatsApp has a feature of muting contacts that helps you get rid of the constant notifications. So today, in this video, I will be showing you how to mute someone on WhatsApp. You can mute someone on WhatsApp in two ways. Method 1. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. You will see your chat list. From there, long tap on the user chat whom you want to mute. Then tap on the sound cancel option from the top menu bar. Now choose any option you like from the pop-up screen. Once you select the options, tap on OK. And you will mute someone on WhatsApp. Method 2. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. You will see your chat list. Tap on the user you want to mute and open the chat box. Tap on the three dots from the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, tap on Mute Notifications. Now choose any option you like from the pop-up screen. Once you select the options, tap on OK. And you will mute someone on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to mute someone on WhatsApp. If you like our video then, don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.